Hello students, today we are going to start our next book, India Physical Environment. So before starting the chapter, let's have a look upon the syllabus. There are total 4 units in this book with appendix in which you will be able to know about various states of India, their capitals, districts and union territories. You will be able to know about the major rivers of India, the major forests of India, and the major national parks of India. So let's have a quick look at the syllabus. So here I begin the syllabus of the first book, India Physical Environment. In this first book, the first unit is related to the introduction of India and its location, in which we will study about the location, space relations and India's place in the world. Another one, the unit second, physiography, which is containing two chapters, structure and physiography, and the another one is drainage system, in which we will study about the physiographic divisions and the drainage system of the Himalayan and the peninsular. Another one, the unit third, climate, vegetation and soil, in which we will study the three chapters. First is climate, second is natural vegetation and third is soil, in which we will study about the mechanism of weather and climatic, natural vegetation and its type, and the biosphere reserves. In the soil one, we will study about the soil types and its distribution, degradation and the conservation. As well, the fourth unit is containing the different matter. It is natural hazards and the disaster, causes, consequence and the management. Now, let's start the chapter India Location. Here I have divided this chapter into 8 parts so that it is easy to understand. These are location, countries and neighborhoods, extent, size, standard meridian, frontiers, Indian Ocean and political division. So let's start the topic location. As we know, the Indian subcontinent is located in the tropical zone of northern hemisphere. India, bordered by the Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, Gulf of Mannar, Indian Ocean and the Great Himalaya Mountains. You can understand it in this way. Look at this globe. As you know, Earth is spherical in shape and globe is the miniature of Earth. A globe shows the exact location of the place. Here you can see the location of India. It is situated in this portion of the earth. Now you can see the globe. Here you can see India in its physical, political and other forms. So, if we will talk about the location of India, India is a vast country located in the northern hemisphere. Its mainland extends between latitude 8 degree 4 minute north and 37 degree 6 minute north, and longitudes 68 degree 7 minute east to 97 degree 20 minute east. India is divided into almost two equal parts by the Tropic of Cancer 23 degree 30 minute north. It passes through the states of Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Tripura and Mizoram. Andaman and Nicobar Islands, situated in southeast of mainland in Bay of Bengal, and Lakshadweep Island, situated southwest of mainland in Arabia Sea, are the two groups of Iceland belonging to India. If we will talk about the boundaries, the land boundary is extended up to 15,200 km and the coastline including Andaman Nicobar Island and Lakshadweep Island, it is about 7,516.6 km. Now let's see our next topic, India's neighbor. India has an important strategic position in South Asia. It has 28 states and 8 union territories. India shares its land boundaries with Pakistan and Afghanistan in the northwest, China, Nepal, and Bhutan in the north, in Myanmar and Bangladesh in the east. Two island countries, Sri Lanka and Maldives, lies to the south of India across the Indian Ocean. All these countries are part of India subcontinent. India and Sri Lanka are separated by a narrow channel of sea formed by the Park Strait and Gulf of Mannar, while Maldives lies to the south of Lakshadweep. Thus, India has strong geographical and historical links with its neighborhoods. The Indian subcontinent includes India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan, Sri Lanka, and Maldives. These are called SAARC countries. Students, you have studied about the location and the neighboring countries of India. Now we will see the extent of India. India is bounded by Jungfrau Mountains in the northwest, north and northeast. India's landmass began to form cone shape in south of 22° north latitude. Landmass extend toward the Indian Ocean and divided it into Arabian Sea in west and the Bay of Bengal in east. Latitude as well as longitude extent of the mainland is about 30° both ways. The fact is that the east-west extents appear smaller than the north-south extent. The north-south distance is 3,214 km while the east-west distance is 2,933 km. 82.5° east longitude between Allahabad and Mirzapur is taken as standard meridian of India. If we will talk about the size of India, the landmass of India has an area of 3.28 million square kilometer, which occupies 2.4% of the total geographical area of the world. As we know, India is the seventh largest country of the world. India is the seventh largest country of the world after Russia, Canada, USA, China, Brazil, and Australia. So students, today we have studied about the location, countries, extent and size of India. In our next video, we will study about the standard meridian, frontiers, Indian Ocean and political division of India. So till then, stay home, be safe.